Hey guys, I'm Jimmy and this is Easy Arabic. Today's lesson is about some basic expressions which is very important in the daily conversations. Please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and let's go! We will start with the basic daily greetings. صباح الخير. مساء الخير. ليلة سعيدة. تصبح على خير. If you are going to ask someone to do something for you, so you say if you please at the beginning, which means لو سمحت. So many of my non-Arabic speaker friends find it a bit difficult to pronounce لو سمحت. Here comes option number 2, which is من فضلك. So when you want to say to someone if you please, you can say لو سمحت or من فضلك. To say thank you, you say شكرا or thank you very much. شكرا جزيلا. To which you can respond عفوا. So if someone tells you شكرا or شكرا جزيلا, you say عفوا. Now this is a question that someone may ask to you, or you may need to ask someone this question, which is do you speak Arabic? هل تتحدث العربية? Okay, if someone asked you this question, you can answer with I don't speak Arabic. أنا لا أتحدث العربية. Or you can say I don't speak Arabic well. لا أتحدث العربية جيدا. Then comes the normal نعم. لا. You may also need to say speak slowly please. تحدث ببطء من فضلك. Or you can even ask the person who is talking to you to repeat his question. So you say, can you repeat please? هل يمكنك الإعادة من فضلك? I beg your pardon. معذرة. Or عذرا. You can also say, I don't understand. لا أفهم. Okay, what to say if you want to tell someone good evening? Very good. مساء الخير. If someone asks you هل تتحدث العربية? Do you speak Arabic? What will be your answer? Very good. أنا لا أتحدث العربية. I don't speak Arabic. Or I don't speak Arabic well. لا أتحدث العربية جيدا. Or نعم, which means yes. نعم أتحدث العربية. Yes, I speak Arabic. If you want to tell someone if you please. Excellent. لو سمحت or من فضلك. Okay, to thank someone, what would you say? Very good. شكرا or شكرا جزيلا. Thank you very much, which he can respond to with that's right. عفوا. Okay, very well, that's all for today's lesson. Waiting if you have any questions, please put it in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. إلى اللقاء.